All right, guys, Washougal this weekend, or as you guys like to correct me and say that I need to pronounce Washougal. It looks like Alpine Stars got a interview with Eli Tomac. I saw it shared by Pro Motocross, and it's the first real interview I think we've had from him since the end of Supercross. And, you know, everybody, I got a lot of comments last week. Talk about the Tomac Achilles update, because he posted that update on his story. Guys, you know, we know he's a superhuman as far as an athlete, but I'm thinking that this couldn't have been as bad of a tear as they thought it might have been, because, like I said, I've known people that have got these injuries, and they're not back standing on a balance ball like that after, what, 2 months? So I'm thinking maybe it wasn't quite as bad as they thought, which is great for us as fans. And Tomac pretty much confirmed this in the interview. He said that everything was going good. He was well ahead of schedule in the healing and therapy process. And at the very end, he said that he thinks there's probably more racing in his future. So that's awesome. I'm excited to hear that. Maybe he himself hasn't decided yet if he wants to take this deal from Star. But I don't know. We'll find out, I'm sure, within the next few months. If you don't believe it from me, listen to him right here.
Out all the new Alpine Star gear. Everything's looking sweet. And yeah, update on myself is I've just been working on physical therapy, getting this Achilles back to what I think is going to be 100%. So far, it's going really well. I'd say I'm a few weeks ahead of protocol. So for me, it's been great. Great recovery so far. And I think there's more racing in my future.